Good morning students, I am Vetri Chevi from Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry. Today from the Abhyas of the NTA, I am going to give only one question. Lesson is Physical Chemistry. The name of the lesson is Solution. This question seems to be a little tricky. Now let us see first the question. An ideal solution contains two liquids. A is pure vapor pressure of the pure solvent is 100 atmosphere 100 torr, and the B component, its pure vapor pressure is 200 torr. If mixture contains 1 mole of the A and 4 moles of the B, then total vapor pressure of the distillate. Here very important point to be we have to notice, it is the distillate. Okay, now let us see the plan. Here this is the container which is containing mixtures A and B, with the A is 1 mole and the B is the 4 moles. The details will come afterwards, and now I will give the theory part. So this is in the mixture in the liquid state, the closed container, this is in the vapor state. Now in the liquid state, according to the RAOULTS law, what is PA is the pressure of the component A in the mixture is equal to mole fraction of A into the vapor pressure of the pure solvent. Same thing for the B component. This you have to first calculate. On adding these two, you are getting the total pressure of the mixture. Next, this is the first part. Next, what we have to do is, coming to the vapor phase, there you are having the formula is PA is equal to OA into P total. This PA is the answer what we are calculated here into, because the vapor is coming from here only. Okay children, now in the vapor you are having A and B as a vapor mixture. Here the formula is PA is equal to OA into PT. This is total pressure what we are calculated from here. YA and YB is the mole fraction of A and B in the vapor phase. And then what is the PA is the vapor, the partial pressure you are getting from this liquid only. So PA is the partial pressure of A, PB is the partial pressure of B, because from this only the vapors you are getting. So the PA and PB and the PT are the calculation of from this part. So now this one we are calling as a second part. So in the second part we are calculating the mole fraction of the vapors A and B, that is YA and YB. This is second part. What is the third part is they are asking to find out the total vapor pressure of the distillate. So for this the formula is the vapor pressure of the A in the vapor phase. Now this is the P, partial pressure of A, but it is in the condition of vapor state, is equal to its mole fraction into the P naught. Its mole fraction mean what is it? In the vapor phase it is the OA, and this is the what is called vapor pressure of the pure component. So based on this you are calculating the what is it called vapor pressure of A and B in the vapor state. Then you have to find out the total of these two is your answer. Usually the sum they are giving only for, so far the question came only to find out the mixture. This is the first time they are giving, as in the case of distillate. So based on the single word you have to extend the sum to this. Now let us go on do the sum. The first part, what is the formula? Straight away I am going to substitute PA is equal to, now this is we are doing for the mixture. What is the RAOULTS law? PA is equal to XA into P naught A. What is XA is individual number of mole fraction divided by the total number of the work. In the sum, A number, now I am giving the data here. What is the data is, let me write. A, its what is the P naught value is 100 is unit is torr, number of mole is 1. And B, P naught value is 200 torr, and it is number of mole is 4. This is the given data. Again I am repeating. Vapor pressure at the pure is A 100, number of mole is 1. So what is the total number of mole is 1 plus 4, 5. Now coming to the mole fraction, individual number of moles plus the total number of moles, that is 1 plus 4 into mole fraction, it is P naught. P naught A is your 100. This is for PA. For PB is equal to number of mole is 4 divided by 5, that is the total, into its pure component value is 200. Now let us, this is 5 into 4, here on cancelling you are having, answer is 20. For PB the answer is, here you are having 40 and on multiplication 160. And this one, what is this is PB and what is this is PA. This is we require for next step, so I am blocking here. Okay, next what is the formula is total pressure of the mixture is equal to addition of these two, what we are getting is 180. So now the total pressure of the component AB in the mixture is equal to 180. So now the first part is over. Next we have to go for the second part, that is called as the vapor condition. Okay, now vapor condition formula is given. PA is equal to YA into PT. I have to calculate YA. So now formula is YA is equal to PA by PT. So like that you have to go for YB also. Now let us do separate here. YA is equal to PA. Where is the PA is? This is your 20. Divided by, what is the total is 180. Like that you go for YB. That is, what is the YB mean? You have to write as a, for YB the formula is PB by PT. So now what is your PB is? That is called as a your pressure of the component B in the mixture. It is 160 divided by total. Even though it is in the vapor formula, you are taking PA and PB from the mixture because the reason is the vapor is coming from the mixture. So this is depend upon the number of moles in the mixture, that is your Raoult's law. So that this PA and PB you are taking pressure of A and B component in the mixture only. So now you on simplification you are getting YA and YB. Now let me write here, this is 1 by 9 and this one you are getting by 8 by 9. So these two are the YA and the YB. What is this is? Mole fraction, that is called it as a mole fraction of A in vapor. That is the point. Usually mole fraction is they used to give us a X. It is in the formula here. XA and XB in the mixture. This is YA and YB in the vapor. That is the difference. So this part is ready. That is YA and YB is ready with the formula. Now we have to go and calculate for the vapor condition. So now I am putting for vapor the calculation is, that is PA is equal to, this is for vapor. Now this PA is totally different. That is should be calculated YA into P naught A. Okay, now let me substitute. YA value is here 1 by 9 into P naught A. It is not mean it is the pure. From the sum it is given. What is it? 100. Same thing you write PB. What is this is for? Vapor. YB into P naught B. So YB is 8 by 9 into P naught is the pure. In the sum it is given 200. Okay, now this one on cancelling. This is 1 by 9. So on simplification 100 by 9. And here what we are getting is here 0, 0, 8, 2, so 16 by 9. On this is we have to add both. What we are getting is 1700 by 9. So that is equal to, how we can do it? 17 into 10 power 2 divide by 9. You do the division here for 17 divide by 9. Okay. 1 times 9 and you are having how many? 8 and then 0, 0, so 7. 8, 72. So you are getting 1.88 is the on the division. Let me write here 1.88 into 10 power 2. So your answer is 188. Let us go and see the option is C is the option you are having 188. So this is the way you have to find out the answer. Okay, now let me hear. Yes, here again I am giving here what is this is. Here it is PA in the vapor, PB in the vapor. Here what I did is addition because we want the question is total vapor pressure. What is this is? Total vapor pressure of distillate is the question. So total vapor pressure of A and B. So this one only we did with this. Okay children. So what is the knowledge is? Here find out the first part Raoult's law. Here you are calculating the PT. With the knowledge of PA and PB and PT, you are calculating YA and YB. What is it? Mole fraction of A and B in the vapor condition. From the mole fraction, you are going to calculate the PA and PB. This is the in the vapor phase, the PA and PB. Then finally, you are adding both two, you are getting the answer. Thank you, children.